channel. I know I have not uploaded in such a long time. I have been streaming on Twitch. I stream on Twitch every single day. You can find me at twitch.com TV, twitchtv.com/ Naya Fantasy. I'll link it down in the description box below. But if you want to see what I'm up to, I stream on Twitch every day. I haven't really done anything art related except I made bookmarks. My very first bookmark, and that's probably like the only thing art related I've done in so long. So in this vlog, you will see me working on resin charms and stuff like that to update my store, and I am also making a lot of resin charms and stuff for comic cons and cons and stuff since they're opening up. Sorry, you hear my kids in the back. Try this again. But I am also creating a lot of um, resin charms and stuff like that for cons and stuff since they're opening back up. So I'm going to try to get into a con either next year. I'm not going to do it this year because I'm nowhere near prepared for a con. Like, I have nothing if I wanted to do a con. So this year, the remaining of this year and all through the summer, I will be trying to get my inventory up and stuff for cons next year, and I will be filming those and stuff like that, especially if I can get into a big one. Which I'm super excited about. I am glad that everything's opening up, but also at the same time, I want everybody to stay safe. Please, if your state has not lifted the mask mandate, always wear masks, always keep hand sanitizer with you. I understand there are shots now that you can take. Even with the shots, I would still recommend that you still wear a mask just to be double safe. So I necessarily would not risk it. So yeah, but I have not been up much to anything, so that is enough of a big intro. So now I am going to yeah, I'm gonna turn you guys over, and here is a montage of things you will see me up to. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. To the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave. So I'm rebranding, and this is what I came up with. This is a 5x7. This is what the back will look like. I'm not gonna get the 5x7, but I'm actually gonna go with the 4x6 size. Smaller, still same great quality. So I'm just rebranding. And yeah, just trying to, yeah, just rebrand. And that's what I've been working on, rebranding. This was my first attempt. It cut off like a lot of it. These are just samples. So I'm gonna get this sent out to God Print and have them print it out. And yeah, and right now, as you saw, I'm making the label stickers. Yeah, so that's just what I'm working on right now. And I have future artworks in the work. I'm working on a big illustration piece and some stickers and just a whole bunch of stuff. So I just thought I'd give you guys a quick sneak peek of my new brand coming soon. Just a small update. I wanted to show you guys I created another notepad. If you watch previous vlogs, I hand make some notepads, but I think with this design I'm gonna order professional notepads, sticky notepads, because this isn't sticky, it's just, you know, pull and tear notepads. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I will have this design in my store for my new shop that I'm creating. It's a reason why I shut down my Etsy, because Etsy was just like, the fees were just crazy and I don't get a lot of orders like that, so it was becoming, I was paying more in fees than I was getting orders, so the ratios were just like too much. So I closed down my Etsy to open up my own store, and I have a website that's paid, like that's paid for the whole year, so I don't have to worry about fees or nothing like that. But I wanted to show you guys something that I am creating. I know I don't vlog art stuff that much, but I am creating in the background, just like I'm making these charms, getting ready for my store. I'm gonna order notepads and bigger notepads right now. Also, I'm gonna be doing some little mini prints on the side. I just like took some acrylic paints and just like went over these, but I'm gonna create something over them and scan them and make like little mini art prints, or I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I have been creating in the background. I do have a lot of stuff that's like digital art right now, and I'll show you guys more in depth of that. But I also have a lot more videos coming with, you know, my studio update and showing, you know, guys all the stuff I've been creating. I also got a new sketchbook. Actually, I got two. This is the first one, and I think it's so cute. I haven't even opened it yet. And let me show you my second sketchbook. Sorry. This is my second sketchbook. I will be using this one probably more than the other one, because it has the bind that makes you flip up, and the paper is kind of like just like a thicker consistency of, I want to say, copy paper, just a little bit thicker. I don't think this would be good for watercolor, but I am trying to use markers more, my Posca markers more, so I want to try to use this just strictly for Posca markers and explore with that. And I love the design. I think it's so chic. I think it's so cute. I got these, if you want to know, from the store called Five Below. I don't know if you have that in your city or whatever, but that's where I got mine, from the store Five Below. And they were, I think, $4 a piece. $4 a piece, I believe. But let me open this one and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Okay, I got it open and I love how it feels. I love how it looks. The gold shimmer is just so pretty. It's probably not picking up that great, but the gold shimmer on this book is so flippin'. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, and open it, and the paper quality, like I said, it's like thin, and this basically feels like copy paper, honestly, just like a tiny bit thicker than copy paper. Well, like I said, I don't think this would be good with watercolor. I will try it out, and I will try it out with marker also, but I kind of want this to be color pencil. Like my two mediums that I love to use the most is watercolor and color pencils. I'm just now getting into markers. I'm not really a big fan of markers, but I do love watercolor and color pencils. That's just the mediums I feel most comfortable with, but I am trying to get into it. I also want to try to see how it is with paint, like acrylic paint and stuff. So I have acrylic paint. I don't have gouache or anything like that, but I want to see how it does with acrylic paint. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys, I went to Walmart and you would not believe the deal that I just got. So Strathmore, yes, Strathmore watercolor paper, cold press, 100% cotton. I got it on sale. Can y'all see that? For $5. It is originally like $25, but I got it for $5, y'all. $5 at Walmart, and it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I grabbed all 5 of them. As y'all know, I have been well, I haven't shown it, but, and I know I haven't been on social media much, but and I'll go into that in another video, why I haven't really posted too much on social media. It's honestly, to sum it all up, because of art theft. I'm just gonna say it right out, art theft. It's why I really haven't posted too much of my work on social media, and I don't want anybody stealing my designs and stuff like that. So Hey everybody, so I just wanted to come in here and let you guys get like a quick update. So in this vlog, you will see me drawing. Right now I'm working on Sonya's Draw This in the Style, plus Pamela the Peach, and plus a lot of other Draw This in Your Style challenges. And also on the side doing a project, a watercolor project. So it's going to be a girl and her hair is going to be clouds and stars, and I might throw in like a moon or something. Not really sure yet, but that's what I wanted to do, like a just like a watercolor like portrait type thing. I don't really do faces in watercolor, but this is going to be my first time and I'm pretty excited about this. And I can't wait to try it. I already put the liquid latex on the parts that I don't want the color to be, which is the stars, because I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do I want to do them different colors. I don't want to just do them yellow. I want to do them each different color. So I can't wait to get started on this. The color palette I'm gonna go for, of course, is like blues and purples, because I want this to be like a nighttime thing. And I think with her skin tone, I think the blues and purples is gonna work out really good. So that's what I'm gonna work on. I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm still rebranding my shop. I'm still um, working on inventory and all that stuff, new items coming to the shop and stickers and all types of stuff coming to the shop. I want to try to get in notepads and notebooks and stuff like that also. So I just been taking my time, and I also want to try to get my first enamel pen in. So I have been trying to figure out how I'm gonna go about that. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I have been working in the background. And I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It's a really short vlog. Mostly music and subtitles or have you. But I just wanted to come and talk to you guys and let you know that I have been behind the scenes working. So, and I would try to post videos as much as I can. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. If you made it this far, it would mean the world to me if you guys can like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you next video. Bye.